this is Cody from Genius Phone Repair. As you know, our name implies we repair phones, but we also buy them back from you as well. If you have an old phone that's collecting dust in your drawer, or you recently upgraded and have another one that you just don't want to use anymore, we can give you cash for that old phone. We will possibly take it in for up to 24 hours for a diagnosis period to make sure it checks out on the carrier, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, etc. Make sure it's unlocked to be used on either that carrier or other carriers. Once we finish testing the device, we'll come up with a final total of what we can give you in cash back for it, and then we will buy the device back from you. You may ask yourself what we do with these devices once we buy them back from customers or get them from our corporate partners. The answer is simple. We recycle them. We reuse them. If somebody trades us a phone in and they don't want it anymore just because they upgraded and it's got a couple things wrong with it, cracked screen, battery's going bad, we end up refurbishing that, put a brand new battery in it, brand new screen on it, and then we can end up reselling that phone to another customer that walks into our store that is looking for a new phone to purchase. If you're interested in purchasing a phone from any Genius Phone Repair location, all the new parts that go into it are of the same quality that we would normally do if anyone else wanted a normal repair from us. So just because we're selling it doesn't mean it's of any lesser quality, and because of that, we'll also cover any of the new devices that we sell with a 30-day warranty. So if you have any issues within that first month of owning it, bring it into any Genius location, and if there's no physical damage, we'll get it replaced with either a new device of the same quality or replace that part that went bad on it if it ended up happening. If for some reason you do want to return the device to us, there is a restocking fee, so keep that in mind within the first week of purchase. Everyone remembers in grade school being taught reduce, reuse, and recycle. So if you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint and get rid of something without actually getting rid of it, you can breathe new life into your old device by selling it to us. We'll refurbish it and hand it off to a new person and let them enjoy the brand new phone that they get. Stop into any Genius Phone Repair location today to either sell us your old phone, get your current phone fixed, or even buy a new phone from us. Have a good one.